Today I'm going to be creating two resin charms inspired by Pickyun's candy and NCT 127's punch. I'm using the amazing Clearcast resin by Illumilite. It has two sides, side A and side B. Before we begin, here's a quick safety disclaimer. It's not healthy to inhale the resin or get it on your bare skin when it's in the liquid state, so definitely be careful when doing this craft. For this particular brand of resin, you mix side A and side B in a 1:1 volume ratio. I'm doing 5 milliliters of each for a total of 10 milliliters, measuring and mixing in a small cup. I mix it for 4 minutes. It gets kind of tedious, but it's super important in order for the resin to cure properly. Then I'm pouring the mixture into a silicone mold, roughly estimating half of the mixture to pour into each heart. Then I'm using a popsicle stick to spread it evenly over the bottom of the molds. I used these alphabet beads for the words and laid out the letters I needed beforehand. Then I'm just placing the letters upside down and backwards into the molds, so when I unmold, the letters will be in the right direction. I'm using the popsicle stick to arrange the letters the way I like. Resin is quite forgiving in that it has a long working time, so you can make a lot of adjustments to get it exactly how you like. These are the sequins I use for decoration. I'm starting with the large star sequins, silver for punch and gold for candy, and I'm arranging them how I like. Then on top of that, I sprinkled some smaller sequins, small yellow stars for punch and pink hearts for candy. Then I'm letting it set until it's tacky. It's not completely cured, but it's in a state where the letters won't move anymore. Now I'm mixing more resin for the second layer. This time I'm using 10 milliliters of side A and 10 milliliters of side B for a total of 20 milliliters. Then I'm pouring exactly half of the mixture into another measuring cup so I can add colors. I use mica powder. It has a shimmery effect and is very pigmented. I chose to mix 2 shades of pink for candy and a dark blue shade for punch. There isn't an exact science to this. Just add as much powder as you need to get your desired color and be sure to mix well. Adding more sequins on top of the first layer to get a cooler effect. I chose small green hearts for punch and small green stars for candy. Then I add the second layer of resin and do some swirling to get it to fully cover the bottom layer. Finally, we can let it sit for about 24 hours or until it's fully cured. I usually place them by a window because the fumes are quite strong and the sun will help them cure. Now we can finally unmold them. I love how the colors and combination of sequins turned out. The ones I've created in this video are thinner than the ones I've made in the past, so I think they would make pretty cute keychains. Overall, I'm super happy with how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Take care.